Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back. It's Marybeth back with you, and I'm so excited. I have a question for you right now. How would you like to make September a September to remember? Well, you actually can, because what I'm about to share with you today, right now in this video, is so super simple. It is affordable for the masses. It is duplicatable and it is scalable, and it's called ProfitPalsPro, and I am absolutely loving it. I want to begin by welcoming my two newest team members who just joined with me yesterday, Freddie and Victor. Welcome aboard ProfitPalsPro. You're definitely in the right place at the right time, and we are going to have such a fun and exciting month ahead. Not to mention, we are in the busy season in this wonderful home-based business industry, and this is something that I am going to be leading the busy season with. It is going very, very well, and it is so simple, and I want to invite you inside today to take a close look and see why so many people are jumping on board ProfitPalsPro. Okay, this is my capture page, my high converting capture page. I'm going to invite you inside, and all you have to do is go to the link below, which is my website, dailypaybeginshere.com, and you can review all the wonderful information inside. You do not have to do any telling, any selling, or any explaining whatsoever when you use this very marketing system. Okay? All of that is handled for you. And it's very automated. There's a complete built-in follow-up system that kicks in and sends follow-ups to all of your leads that willingly enter their information from the traffic that you send to this page. Okay, so with that being said, folks, dailypaybeginshere.com. Link is below. All you have to do is enter your name and best email and click right here, show me the video. When you do that, this is exactly where you are going to be redirected, okay? Right into my landing page. And this way you can review everything firsthand for yourself. You will see 4 explainer videos that do a fantastic job. A fantastic job of breaking everything down in detail. Everything you need to know about ProfitPalsPro and how you can start generating unlimited $50 commissions. The potential to do such is going to be right here. Real money for real people. You're going to want to start here with explainer video 1. You complete that, you're going to want to watch explainer video 2, which is a complete presentation video that breaks it all down very specifically, but very simplistically, okay? And that's what you want, okay? So definitely watch this. Number 3, inside of your back office at ProfitPalsPro, you have the opportunity to upgrade to increase your potential of signups from $50 to $150. Because if you get this upgrade, then you can resell it. You can be a user and you can be a reseller. So you're definitely going to want to watch explainer video number 3. Okay, right here, folks. The potential to increase your commissions from $50 to $150. Okay, and that's very, very exciting. Then we conclude with explainer video number 4, the pay plan that has some very, very nice leverage built into it. So please watch all 4 videos from beginning until end, okay? Then we have another little income stream here. This is something if you have the desire and if you aspire to learn attraction marketing, okay? And attraction marketing works very, very well. I use it all week long, my YouTube and my Facebook, okay? You can watch this short little video here, 2 minutes, and if this is something you want to pick up, you can do that, and you can be a user. You can apply and implement what is going to be contained in your little ebook, 14-page PDF that's downloadable, and you can resell it and earn $25 over and over again. So potentially you can be earning $175 per customer. Okay, just wanted to share with you exactly the way I am set up here and what you'll want to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. There's my contact details. you are going to come right over here and click on this wonderful red and white button. When is the best time to get started? It is today. It is right now, so that you can position yourself for what we have coming up. The busy time in this wonderful home-based business industry. The most opportune time of year is September, October, November, and December. And if you get started today, you have the potential to make September a September to remember. Okay, so this is where you will go. You will click right here. Alrighty, and you can start right here at the top left and then review all the wonderful information and descend down to the bottom right. And when you're ready to get started, and by the way, this is me right here, so you can check out my little testimonial right here, okay? And you're ready to get started. It is so easy. Here's the product. Here's all the information about the product. I have people coming at me all week long asking about the product, so this is a great place to review the 5K Formula Bundle Pack. And all you have to do is click here to play. Okay, this happens to be a $499 value. This is a digital marketing e-learning product. It's absolutely wonderful. The CEO Wealth Formula contained within the 5K formula. So definitely check it out here. Here's some of the highlights of everything that you're getting contained within. And you can even click here to see the package and get more information, more details, and more insight. This is a fantastic value for a one-time $50 that you can use, you can resell for 100% commissions. Okay? And here's everything you're getting. Now you'll just come here and you will complete step 1, pay me the $50, and then you will go ahead. I do accept Square, so you can pay with a debit card, a credit card, Cash App, and I do have Afterpay built into this, okay? 4 interest-free payments. Okay, split up. So that's $12.50 if you elect to go with Square, if you qualify, or you could just pay the $50, folks. It's only one time $50, okay? I do have some additional methods here. If you happen to be international, I'm getting a lot of international people, folks, so I do accept PayPal, I do accept Wise, and I have Venmo too. You do this first, and then you come down here to step number 2, and then you pay the admin a one-time $12.95. So today, you can have your own ProfitPals system for $62.95, okay? And then you can upgrade to that special bonus offer in your back office at any time to boost commissions. And if you want to pick up the Easy Cash 25, folks, you can do that at any time too to further boost your commission. So just letting you know what is here, what is available, what is ready for you to go. Here is Stripe, so you can pay with a debit or credit card, your $12.95. And here's international options, okay? Revolt and Wise and Bitcoin, okay? So everything is here, folks. You just send in your receipts. The instructions are right above there. Here's my name, and here's my ID, 743, okay? So with that being said, again, I want to welcome Victor and Freddie, and just let you know this is an amazing little system, folks. And I've been consistently earning with it since I got started, leading the way with YouTube, folks, which is absolutely free. It's my primary method, and then my secondary free method is Facebook. Now, if you don't want to do Facebook or YouTube, folks, you can go into my autopilot traffic through mycapturepage.com and order clicks. And then you can also go to Udemy, udimi.com, create a free account, and you can buy traffic over there too. There's lots of options, and I have many, many videos out there, folks. If you search my channel, Retire with Marybeth, I go step by step and I give you all the different options for driving traffic to your simple, high converting lead capture page from ProfitPalsPro, okay? Free methods. Social media is huge, folks. If you're not using social media, you really are missing the boat, but it's not required because there's many ways that you can get the word out, folks. Word of mouth. We even have beautiful postcards ready to go because it's also direct mail order boom season, folks. So you can lead the way with direct mail. We have flyers. We have postcards ready to go, done for you. And that's another viable option as well. We have safe lists. We have solo ads. We have banner ads. We have postcards. We have flyers. We have so many different ways that you can share Profit Pals Pro. Have fun, make extra money, folks. Make this a September to remember. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. Check it out right now, and I hope to see you soon on the inside. Thank you so much. Until my next video. Bye for now.